Meet the F-35 Lightning. It's not just a fighter jet. It's a flying supercomputer. Designed with stealth technology, it can avoid radar and strike before it's even seen. It reaches speeds over 1,900 kilometers per hour and can take off from land, sea, or even vertically. The F-35 can jam enemy signals, share live data with other jets, and destroy targets with pinpoint precision. There are 3 variants for the Air Force, Navy, and Marines. Each one costs over $80 million, and over 900 have been built across the world. It's used by over 15 countries, including NATO powers. Smart, silent, lethal. That's the power of the F-35.